What you will need before you begin: 1 scale, 1 sifter and something to put it in, and some plastic cups. I also have paper cups. For me, the scale has been super useful. It helps me get the perfect consistency. The solution I use is 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. I think Floetrol is really great for getting those cells without having to use silicone. So you take a sifter and you're going to sift the Floetrol just to make sure that there aren't any clumps. Whatever you end up pouring here, you're going to use half of that for your paint. I wanted to make a lot of this one because this is what I'm going to flood my canvas with. Starting with 265 was a really weird number. It definitely wasn't intended. I didn't want to have to do math. I'd usually go with a 200 to 100 ratio for this. The bottles to my left have a 60-30 ratio. You're going to mix it until it's very runny. Ooh, look how runny that is. Like a soft boiled egg. After you mix all of your paints, you're going to lay down the base. I chose to do half and half. I'm doing half white, half gold. I found this cute little spatula set on Amazon and I really enjoy it. They have small ones and larger ones. I'm also using the Arteza acrylic pour set of 32 2-ounce bottles. I'll post links to them in the description below.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you.
I forgot to say this before, but you will need a blow dryer. Before we blow dry it out, we are going to flood the canvas, which means we're going to pour a whole bunch of the base color onto the edges of the pour. Now this is where you're going to take your blow dryer and you're going to blow until all of what you poured is on top of the other colors. You want there to be like a tiny little line showing when you're done. A torch really helps pop any bubbles and helps the cells come out. Now you can really see some of these cells start to form. This part takes some waiting and some patience, but right after you're going to get the blow dryer. How it's going to turn out, but you can decide which direction to blow in. Sometimes I get frustrated because it doesn't turn out exactly how I wanted it. Luckily, there are always ways to fix your art. It'll continue spreading as it sits there. I thought it was really important to share what I did when I thought that I had messed up and I needed to redo it. I scraped off the paint, and then I re-flooded it. And after spreading it, I re-blow dried it. Do that as many times as you need. Once you fix everything you need, just let it sit. And voila! You have successfully completed an acrylic pour painting. Thank you for watching Art with Bianca. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.